Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix camera blinking issue on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have clean your camera lens. If dust and debris accumulates on your iPhone camera lenses, it may cause the blinking issue when you try to capture photos. To clean your photo camera lens, use a lint-free microfiber cloth and wipe it gently. You can use microfiber cloth included with a angles glasses kit or any microfiber cloth you have hand as long it is soft and clean. So then you have facing this issue. First you have fiber cloth. You have clean the camera lens on your iPhone, any metals you have used on. So then second solution, you have uh, lock the camera. If your fast camera blinking issue while recording a video, it is might be because your iPhone is unable to decide on the best lens to capture the video. The prevents camera switching while recording. You have to lock the camera here. So open the camera app on your iPhone, open the setting, click on camera. So then you have click on record video. Then you have click on this options. You have select one option from here. Then you have click on from here. So then you have must be select the this second option. Then you have then this second solution. Then third solution, you have turn off live photo. Your iPhone capture when occur 1.5 seconds before the after you snap a photo using live photo. Sometimes this feature interprets your still photos. Open the camera app. So then you have click on photos. Then you have seen the this options is live photos. In this time he is turned on. Then you have click on turn off live photos. Then other solution, you have force the restart of your iPhone when facing this issue. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then last solution, you have update iOS 17. Every iOS update brings new features and enhancements to system apps to increase stability. If you do not install these updates regularly, your phone it is camera many locations of your app. So this was to fix the camera blinking issue. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.